have made light-driven JCB. So what is the use of this light-driven JCB? This light-driven JCB is used in mines where light is provided. So to prevent loss of human life, this JCB will work in the mines. It will go only there where there is light provided, and it will stop if there is dark. For making the JCB. So for making the JCB, I have not used any. I have not used Bluetooth. I have not used the transmitter and receiver. I have used this ultrasonic sensor and the servo motor. So I have kept ultrasonic sensor in such a way that it will sense the front. And here this is the basket in which it will carry like this goods. So this is the servo motor. Then I have made a basket using this. Then I have used IR sensor, Arduino Uno, and the motor driver. So here when there is shadow on the LDR, at that time the car will stop, and if the servo motor is like this where it's at 180 degree, then it will come directly here at 0 degree. If there is something in between in the car in the range of 20 centimeter, so what will happen, the car will stop for 0.5 seconds, and then at that time the servo motor will go to 180 degree, and the car will make a swift turn to right like this, and after that it will go ahead straight, and then if there is shadow, the servo motor will come like this in the 0 degree, and the car will stop. The codes for this are hashtag include servo.h. Then we have already done this codes in early also in time 1, 2, 3. So here I have connected iron 1 at 8, 2 input 2 at 11, input 3 at 12, and input 4 at 13. Then echo to 10, trig to 9, and LDR to 5. So here in the void setup, front servo dot attach 6, front servo dot write 0. So what is this front servo dot attach 6 and front servo dot write 0? So how we write int iron1 is equal to this. So for making a variable of servo motor, we write servo front servo, and for making servo motor to move, we write servo dot write 0. So I have written that when the Arduino should start up, at that time the servo motor should be at 0 degree. Servo dot attach means I have connected the servo motor at this pin number. So I have connected at 6 pin number. Then pin mode and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 output. Echo is the input, trig is the output, and LDR is the input. Then in the while loop, digital write trig high, delay microseconds 10. Then digital write trig comma low, digital write delay microseconds 10. Int t is equal to pulse in echo comma high. Int d is equal to 0.017 star t. So this is the formula of the distance, and these are the code to make the pulse in the trig and echo, so that we can get the output from this ultrasonic sensor. And after that, this is the code to activate LDR. Int LDR1 is equal to digital read LDR. Then if d is greater than 30, means if there is nothing in the range of 30 centimeter, then the car will go in forward. Then if 20 is greater than d, then front servo dot write 180. So if there is something in the range of 20 centimeters, like here there is my hand in the range of 20 centimeters, so it will go to 180 degrees like this. Then digital write and 1 low, 2 low, 3 high, and 4 low. So as I said, it will take a turn to right, so iron 3 will take the turn to the right. Then after that, if LDR is equal to 1, so if there is light on LDR at that if there is shadow on LDR, at that time the car will stop, and the servo motor, which is at 180 degree, will come to 0 degree. So this were the codes to make this car run. Now let's see how it's working. So here I am connecting. So see, if I have kept hand, so the shadow of my hand is falling on the LDR, so the car is not running. Now when I remove my hand, the car is running. Now see, it's taking a turn. See, turn. Now here, if there is shadow, the servo motor came to 0. See, it's at 0 degree, now at 180 degree. 0, 180. Now let's run. I will show you the light driven car. So in my room all the lights are off. Now I have kept it here on the ground and see, it was running. Now as there is no light, the car is not running. Now as there is light, the car is running. No light, car is not running. Now see, it's taking turns also. See, it has taken turn, it is going for. So here the car is working. See, it has taken turn. Now when there is dark, the car is stopped and the servo motor has come to 0 degree. Now as I remove and here, the servo motor has came to 180 degree. Now no hand, 0 degree. 180 degree, 0 degree. If you have any doubt regarding this video, then please DM me on my Instagram handle. Link is given in the description box. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.